Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the wonderful world of wood stick crafts. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, I have some exciting and inspiring ideas that will unleash your creativity. From rustic picture frames to whimsical birdhouses, you'll learn how to turn simple wood sticks into beautiful art pieces. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating wood stick crafts, along with some inspiring ideas. Materials needed: wood sticks, popsicle sticks, craft sticks, or wooden dowels, adhesives, hot glue gun, wood glue, or craft glue, paints and brushes, for decorating your crafts, scissors, or a craft knife, for cutting sticks if necessary. Decorative items: beads, ribbons, or other embellishments, sealer, optional, to protect your finished project. Steps to create wood stick crafts: choose your project, decide on what you want to create, e.g., picture frame, birdhouse, etc. Gather inspiration: look for pictures online or in magazines to get ideas. Pinterest can be a great resource. Sketch your design. If you're working on something complex, sketching can help visualize the final product. Measure and cut. Use scissors or a craft knife to cut the sticks to the desired lengths. Assemble the base. Start by laying out your sticks in the desired arrangement. Use glue to attach them together. Hold them in place until the glue sets, or use a clothespin to secure them. Add decorative elements. Once the base is dry, paint or decorate as you like. You can also add embellishments like beads or glitter, finishing touches. Once everything is dry, consider applying a sealer to protect your craft. Display your art. Find a place to showcase your creation. Here are some additional wood stick craft ideas. Wind chimes. Create a soothing wind chime by hanging sticks of varying lengths with beads or shells. Candle holders. Assemble sticks into a rustic candle holder for a cozy ambience. Key holder. Make a wall-mounted key holder by attaching sticks to a base, adding hooks for keys. Bookends. Construct sturdy bookends by gluing sticks together in creative shapes. Seasonal decor. Craft seasonal decorations like a Christmas tree or fall leaves. Using sticks. Pencil holder. Form a cylindrical holder for pens and pencils with sticks. Animal figures. Create whimsical animal sculptures by connecting sticks in different shapes. Garden trellis. Build a simple trellis for climbing plants using longer sticks. Puzzle game. Design a wooden puzzle game by cutting sticks into various shapes. Articulated figures. Make jointed figures that can move by connecting. Shear are some creative ideas for crafts using wood sticks. Miniature furniture. Create tiny chairs, tables, or even a whole dollhouse using popsicle sticks. Picture frames. Assemble sticks into unique geometric frames for photos or artwork. Wall art. Design abstract wall art by arranging sticks in various patterns and painting them. Nature. Inspired mobile. Hang sticks with leaves or feathers to create a beautiful mobile. Birdhouse. Construct a small birdhouse that can be hung in your garden. Coasters. Weave or glue sticks together to create beautiful coasters. Plant holders. Form a stick structure to hold small potted plants or succulents. Jewelry holders. Create a decorative stand for necklaces and bracelets using sticks. Games. Build a simple game like a stick tower or a balancing game for kids. Gift wrap decor. Use sticks as embellishments on gift wrap for a rustic touch. These projects can be both fun and rewarding, allowing for plenty of creativity. Ticks with brads or fasteners. These ideas can spark your imagination and lead to unique creations. The purpose of wood stick crafts is multifaceted, providing both artistic expression and practical benefits. Here are some key purposes. 1. Creative expression. Wood stick crafts allow individuals to express their creativity through design, color, and structure. Each project becomes a personal reflection of the creator's style and imagination. 2. Skill development. Engaging in crafts helps develop various skills such as fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving abilities. It also encourages planning and project management. 3. Therapeutic benefits. Crafting can be a therapeutic activity, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. It offers a meditative quality as individuals focus on the task at hand. 4. Sustainability. Using wood sticks, particularly from recycled materials, fosters a sustainable approach to our together for workshops, classes, or group projects. It fosters community and shared experiences. 6. Budget-friendly art. Wood stick crafts are often inexpensive, making them accessible to a wide range of people, including children and beginners. This encourages more individuals to explore their artistic side. 7. Functional art. Many wood stick crafts serve practical purposes, such as home decor, organization, or gifts. This adds functionality to creativity, making art useful. 8. Cultural expression. Crafting can also be a way to connect with cultural traditions, using wood sticks in ways that reflect heritage and history. Overall, wood stick crafts inspire creativity and provide a fulfilling way to create art while enjoying numerous personal and community benefits. Here are additional purposes of wood stick crafts that further highlight their value. 9. Educational tool. Wood stick crafts can be used as educational tools for teaching concepts like geometry, balance, and design principles. They provide a hands-on learning experience for children and adults alike. 10. Encouraging patience and focus. Crafting requires time and attention to detail, helping individuals cultivate patience and concentration. This can be particularly beneficial for children developing focus skills. 11. Boosting confidence. Completing a craft project can give a sense of accomplishment, boosting self-esteem and encouraging individuals to take on more challenging creative endeavors. 12. Promoting mindfulness. The repetitive motions involved in crafting can promote mindfulness, allowing individuals to be present in the moment and shift their focus away from daily stresses. 13. Nurturing imagination. Working with wood sticks encourages imaginative thinking, as creators can visualize and bring to life unique structures and designs that may not be possible with other materials. 14. Sparking innovation. Crafting often involves improvisation and creative problem solving, which can spark innovative ideas and new approaches in both art and daily life. 15. Intergenerational bonding. Wood stick crafts can be a great way for families to bond across generations, as people of all ages can participate and share techniques, stories, and experiences. 16. Seasonal and thematic decor. Crafts can be adapted to fit various themes and seasons, allowing individuals to create decorations that enhance their living spaces throughout the year. 17. Community engagement. Craft projects can be part of community initiatives, such as building installations for local parks or participating in art fairs, fostering a sense of belonging and civic pride. 18. Fundraising and charitable work. Many people create wood stick crafts to sell at fairs or donate to charities, combining creativity with a purpose to support causes they care about. 19. Customizable gifts. Handmade wood stick crafts make for personalized gifts, allowing the creator to tailor items to the recipient's tastes and preferences, which can be more meaningful than store-bought gifts. 20. Exploring nature. Using natural materials like wood sticks encourages a connection with nature, promoting appreciation for the environment and inspiring eco-consciousness. These diverse purposes illustrate how wood stick crafts can enrich lives, foster creativity, and build community connections, making them a valuable and enjoyable activity for many. Thanks for joining me today in this wood stick craft adventure. I hope you found inspiration and ideas to create your own unique projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to see your creations, so share them in the comments below or tag me on social media. Until next time, keep crafting and let your creativity shine. Bye for now.